Hi my friends, I am Julcik P for the Swift Bullion Coin channel. This time we are talking about the new cryptocurrency Pi.Network. Pi.Network is a new inclusive cryptocurrency. It is a collaboration with other digital coins. The keyword here is inclusive. Bitcoin has many issues. Investing in it is risky. You need to learn a lot to buy it at the correct time. Also, you need money to buy it, or you need to be a very skilled computer, and you need to invest time and money in specialized hardware to mine it, like ASIC's hardware. P-Network want to change this. If you want to mine it, you only need a smartphone, Android or iPhone, and prove to be human. A simple proof that you need to use an app and press a simple button on it. Do you not need to invest any money? Do you want your slice of the pie? Install the app now.